What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Driv Drives and happy 4th of July. Today we're going for a drive in this 2020 BMW X7 M50i. This vehicle is powered by a 4.4-liter twin turbocharged V8 with 523 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. I absolutely love the X7 M50i. It is a very nice luxury SUV that can haul a bunch of passengers. It's super luxurious and super fast. I just love luxury tanks that have this kind of power and performance. This one has a beautiful Bowers & Wilkins sound system, as you can see. You have a cognac interior, Alcantara headliner, and I love the Bowers & Wilkins just speaker setup in this car. M Sport steering wheel right here. You also have the glass controls. Put the vehicle in reverse, you have a 360 view camera. You have ventilated seats and heated seats, and you also have massaging seats in this vehicle. This one also has the galvanic controls. But yeah, you also have a panoramic sunroof, which is really nice. But let's walk around this X7 M50i and we'll get out on the road. Sounds fantastic. Oh wait, I don't know if it actually, I don't think these are galvanic controls. I think it's just like the upgraded switchgear. Yeah, you have soft closed doors too, as you can see. So yeah, really cool right there. Black exterior. This doesn't look like black sapphire metallic. It might be carbon black metallic off the top of my head. You also have laser lights on this car. They look awesome. I love BMW laser lights. You have nice BMW individual wheels, Performance M calipers. I love these mirror caps. The rear seats are really nice too. You also have TVs in here. This thing's like loaded. It's so cool. And you also have, you can also move your seats front and back right here. And you have sunshades. The rear sunshade and the sunshades on the doors. You also have heated rear seats, which is really cool. And then you can insert like a DVD in there. You have the DVD system to watch movies. M50i badge on the back. Really cool. Yeah, really good looking SUV right here. I haven't even seen an X7 M50i with the rear entertainment system. So it's actually really cool to see that in this car. You also have a wireless charging tray. I love the placement of that tray. Easy to access your phone through that. But anyways, time to drive. This one's in really good condition. I mean, it's a 2020 with 77,000 miles, and it feels really nice in here. It's really good shape. Steering feels great. Everything feels good in this vehicle, you know. Such harsh gear shifts. I love that. Yeah, the X7 M50i is such a machine. It's just so baller, being able to carry so many passengers, and it has such a stately presence, and it's just so fast. Such an awesome vehicle. Despite its size, it feels very planted and handles really well too. The transmission is lightning fast. But we have now returned to Grubb's Family Dealership, so that concludes today's video on this 2020 BMW X7 M50i. Absolutely awesome X7 right here, blast to drive, and I always love driving these vehicles. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for a high amount of high quality BMW vehicles.